Hi, Mary. I think I found your test case here, and it looks like you've used some short codes. I think what would be a lot easier for you is if you just go ahead and click this backend editor, which gives you Visual Composer. Then you can add a row here, and you can do an image gallery, you can do an image carousel. It gives you a lot of options for how you can do this. So the image gallery would give you options like you're talking about, where it does show you a whole gallery, but then when you click into it, it would let you enlarge or scroll through those items. So if you were to do it this way, you can just add the images here. You can decide what size they are. You can go here and select and say, I want these images, can add those. On click action, open pretty photo, that's what I'm talking about, where it allows you to scroll through them. So let's go ahead and save those changes. Let's go ahead and hit save draft. And once it's done, let's go ahead and use post. So here's our items down here. Well, it's stretching them. Let's see what we need to do to fix that. So here I just went ahead and I chose image grid, and it has made it into an image grid. And now when you click in to see one of these pictures, it shows it to you, and it allows you to scroll through these items. If instead you wanted to add an image carousel, I would do that this way instead of using the other one. Again, we can say medium, and again we can say pick a few images. Let's pick some different ones so that we can tell the difference easily. We'll use all plants instead of people on this one. Slider speed, this is in milliseconds, so every 1,000 is seconds, so we'll put this slower so we can see it easier. We'll say 3 seconds. Slides per view 1, so you can have it show multiples at once. We'll just stick with 1. Autoplay, we'll say yes. You know, there's a bunch of options here. You can have it loop or not. You know, otherwise when it gets to the end, it'll stop. There's options here. You can check and uncheck them and see what they all do. It's not too difficult. We'll hit update here. We'll update the page here. And now you see we've got a little slideshow here that will just automatically scroll through. There's also the arrows here. Again, that's an option you can turn on or off. You know, if it needs to be bigger, we can come in here and, you know, make this full size. And we can refresh once that's done. Now we've got a full-size slideshow there that we can go through. You can also use the slider revolution. That one's a little more complicated. Let me know if these two don't suit your purposes, and I can show you how to do that one. That one's going to require, if it's going to work well, that you crop all of the images to the same size. Otherwise, the whole page is going to kind of jerk around as different size images come through. So hopefully you can make one of these work. Let me know. Thanks.